In today's Science Corner, we will try to keep this paper dry even when I place it in water. Here are the materials you need: a paper towel, a glass, a large container full of water, and food coloring. First, I will add some drops of food coloring to the water. I will crumple this piece of paper and place it at the bottom of the glass. Then I will turn this glass upside down and place it all the way down into the water and bring it back out. Let's see if the paper towel got wet or stained. It's still clean and dry. How did this happen? Even though we can't see it, air is made up of matter, so it has mass and volume, which takes up space. When the glass is lowered into the water, air is trapped inside of the glass because of the water pushing up from below. Air is less dense than water, so it is able to stay on top of the water. The paper towel will not get wet or stained as long as the air stays in the glass. This reminds me about Jesus and how he is our advocate in the heavenly sanctuary. Just like the air kept the paper towel clean and dry, when we choose to believe in Jesus and accept him as our Savior, he is our substitute, and we are seen as blameless in the sight of God.